This is a video walkthrough tour of 1917 West Sherman Street, Unit B in Phoenix, Arizona. Inside, the main level offers wood-look flooring, neutral paint, and an open-concept layout that seamlessly connects the living room and kitchen. The kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances, soft-close cabinetry, stone countertops, and a dedicated dining area that works well for casual meals or hosting guests. The location provides easy access to downtown dining, entertainment, breweries, parks, and major freeways, delivering modern comfort with excellent city access. This 2023 built home offers plenty of comfortable space for everyday living and entertaining. It offers 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Upstairs, all bedrooms feature carpet, ceiling fans, and plenty of natural light. The primary suite stands out with a private balcony, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom that includes a tiled walk-in shower and a dual sink vanity. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. Here we have the hall bathroom, featuring a subway tile shower and tub combination. And here is the upstairs laundry room that adds everyday convenience. One additional bedroom also offers its own balcony, adding extra character to the layout. Thanks for watching the tour.